How to fix group has some issues on Facebook. Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To fix group has some issues on Facebook, you can actually report a problem regarding it. If you don't know how, start off by launching your Facebook application in your device. In the Facebook, make sure to log in into your account. In the top right corner, navigate to the three horizontal lines. Now over here, if you scroll down, you will see the option of Help and Support. Expand the given option. There you will see Report a Problem, tap on it. Then click on Report Problem. Wait until it loads up. Now tap on the Include button at the bottom. After this, go ahead and select what you are facing issue on. In this dialog box where it says describe the issue, you need to type in that you have got the notification that the group you have created on your Facebook has some issues. If you take screenshot regarding the notification, you can upload from your device as well by clicking on to this button. So this is how you can write it. You can type in your issue something like this, or the best would be to upload the screenshot of the issue. That's it for the video as well. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorial.